Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video, and today we're going to look at the action hat mount for a hunting application. Hope y'all enjoy. So a few of the things we will be going over is the overall configuration of this mount, how easy or difficult it was to install, the parts of it, and most importantly, what type of footage do we get by using this mount. Now one thing I'd like to note is that Action Hat does make hats where the mount is already installed. However, they do not make a bright orange hat with it installed, so you'll have to buy one yourself and get the DIY kit. Overall, the quality of the mount is pretty good and it's fairly simple. You just have these two metal tabs, decide which area you want to put the GoPro in. Now, I prefer to put the GoPro towards the back of the hat. One, because you don't get the bill in the way, and number two, if you're on an ATV, you don't have that wind scooping under the bill and flipping it up over your head. So those are just the two main ideas here. The biggest problem I do have with this mount, however, is that although I understand why they use aluminum, this aluminum does not flex whatsoever. And the way GoPro mounts work is that you usually have a plastic bottom piece and then the GoPro mount itself is plastic, and whenever you use a screw to tighten them together, that friction keeps the camera in place. When I first put this mount on, it was always sliding down on me and I couldn't get a very good shot. So what I had to do was take a small piece of tape, insert it inside these tabs, poke a hole through it, and now I have plenty of friction to keep my camera upright and steady while filming. Now the general rule for filming with this mount particularly is you need to be moving slowly or you don't need to move at all. If you have any type of speed with this mount, even walking, as you'll see, it's going to be very, very shaky footage. The only way I can see to mitigate this footage is by either buying a GoPro Hero 7 with the new stabilization or possibly going into post-production and stabilizing it yourself, which I'm going to do and give you an example of. Overall, I do really like this mount, and it provides a new and interesting view for my viewers, as well as gives me another tool in the chest to film videos. Now, on the flip side of that, I think the price point is very high, and I would like to see other companies make something similar to this. That way, the price point of this particular mount will hopefully drop, and you get the same quality, but for a fair price. Overall, that's my review on this Action Hat mount. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to share, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.